I was gifted this by the company, and here's a few things that are really nice about it. So it comes with a mounting bracket that fits on either side. Either side of it. It does take batteries back here in the back. I can open it. So it takes 4 AA batteries. But I like that I can choose where I'm going to mount it. You can use your fingerprint on it. It also came with a set of 2 keys. And then this is just the generic unlock code. But this is where you can put what you need and keep it accessible to wherever you need it. So once you get it, obviously change the code so nobody knows it. Do your fingerprint.